Hey guys, Allan Builds here. I just wanna share with you. This may help in the future. When I start the car, multiple warning lights flashing on the dashboard. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'm gonna start the car. Look at guys. Electric brake problem, tire pressure problem, emission system problem, brake system problem, brake hold system problem, power system problem, vehicle stability assistant, BC problem, clear start problem, adaptive cross control problem. So I'm gonna fix this guys. I'm gonna pop up the hood. Here, popping up the hood. So guys, I'm gonna open the hood. Then the first thing to do is to disconnect the negative cable terminal from the battery, and the next is the positive. So this is the negative guys. Okay, remove the negative, and the next is the positive. Both has been removed. So both should touching negative and positive terminals like this. I'm doing this guide to reset the ECU, electronic control unit. Three minutes later, I'm gonna put this back on. Positive first, then the negative. This is the positive guys. I'm sorry guys, it's kind of dark. It's 9 in the evening and it's a little bit cold. Minus 10. I'm fixing this car so I can use this tomorrow. Yeah, this is the negative. Hopefully guys, this will fix the problem. I'm going back in the car to start, so you'll see. Ooh, the moment of truth. I'm gonna start the car. Oh yes! I fixed it guys. Awesome. This is how you fix the multiple warning lights come on the dashboard. This is Honda CRV 2018 fifth generation. If you have Honda CRV fifth generation like 2017 up to 2020, this is perfect guide. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks guys, stay safe.